Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Katara. Katara Cultural Village not only about event and exhibitions, but there is lot of entertainment and fun. 21 High Street in Katara brings you a luxury of shopping and dining in its vast and lavishly designed premises. This is for shoppers who love discovering luxury fashion with top brand accessories. From watches and jewelry to the luxury collection of French department stores. There are best dining options serving you at the taste of the best international cuisine. Inside Katara village you will find some beautiful mosque. This is Katara Mosque. We are going to see now Katara Amphitheatre. Open on 11 December 2011, the Greek amphitheatre will send you back to the Roman era, when such a theatre were used for public gathering and events. This work of art combines Islamic art with Greek architecture to create a masterpiece that overlooks the magnificent Gulf. This amphitheatre is 3,275 square meters in size and can hold a huge crowd during events, allocating space to more than 5,000 people at a time. It is located at the heart of the Katara village, Qatar. Next to amphitheatre you will find another beautiful mosque. This is Katara Golden Masjid. This beautiful golden masjid was garnished with extremely small golden chips and it represents Ottoman style. At Katara Cultural Village you will find some beautiful art. This beautiful sculpture called Force of Nature and it was installed in 2011. We are here at the Pisan Tower. The Pisan Tower, this is the most magnificent architecture tower in Qatar, adding a photographic element to the village. Back in the day, pigeons were the most valued and significant birds of Qatar as they were used for meat and dropping as fertilizer. The tower is built with a height of 18 meters and 10 to 20 meters in diameter. It can house more than 40,000 birds, which makes an iconic attraction. The Katara Cultural Village represents Qatar with the best architecture. There are many venues and landmarks built inside the village that are adding more to the excellence of its design and formation. There are heritage centers, library, art galleries and other facilities to attract travelers and offer them everything they need for their exploration. The Arabian art, Islamic religion and ancient tradition have made Qatar a gem of Middle East. The Katara Cultural Village rightly reflects creativity and intellectual art with event, exhibition, theatre and other activities. Now we are at Katara North Hill and now we are going to see man-made water river, or you can call waterfall. You can see here beautiful water lake or water falling down from there. Top of the hill you will find beautiful Lebanese restaurant with amazing top view. You can see Katara beach from Katara hills. Here we have beautiful beach. You can see Palkatar from here. You can see some beautiful restaurant here. Here some of the best place to visit in Katara. 21 High Street for luxury shopping and restaurant. The beautiful Pigeon Tower. Katara Hills and Katara Beach.